As an agent, I'm often asked, should I sell my home during the winter? Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty. It used to be that the winter months were the worst months to sell your house due to less than ideal conditions and the buyer's mentality that sellers are more desperate trying to sell their homes during the winter and holiday months. However, with today's market conditions, that no longer holds true. With a shortage of inventory driving the market, listing your home in the winter may work well to your advantage. More likely than not, the buyers that are viewing your property are not just nosy looky-loos, but rather serious, motivated buyers that need to purchase today. Also, with fewer homes on the market in the winter, there is less competition. Of course, it's always important to hire an experienced agent who can help you navigate through this home market to your full potential in the winter months. We are experts in the market. If you'd like more information on the current housing market, please reach out to me and my team. I'm Deb Grimme, HomesInTwinCities.com and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. Let us help you plan your next move.